Hi there. We are back again with the fourth puzzle in this additional of newspaper of Tuesday, May the 26th. Two puzzles are left: the binary puzzle and a tectonic. But what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Miscount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, and in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. I feel this in right now, or in the column. So let's get started. Here we have also 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then we have between 2 1s comes an O, double 1, here an O, there an O, a double O, here an 1, and there an 1, a double 1, here an O, there an O, and then double O, here and 1, and then 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. A double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have 1, 2, 3 1s there. I cannot place the 1 here, the fourth one, otherwise we have 3 O's. So this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then I think we need to compare something, otherwise I cannot continue. How about to compare 1 1? Yes, and this. These two are almost the same, but I need those numbers. We have an 00, 1 1 1 1, 00, 1 1 0 0. So I need one of those numbers, then I can fill this. How about yes, this column and that column? We have empty box 00 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be an 1. Double 1 and 1, there 1. Between double 1, sorry, double O here, 1 there 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Okay, and now still cannot finish this. How about one number left? 1 2 3 4 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there 1. double 1, here and O, there and O, double 1, here and O, there and O. Wow, and now I can double O, here and 1, and there and 1. I can now switch these two numbers, because these two rows are almost identical. We have one O here, so this should be an 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. We have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. One missing number here. This should be in a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones now, so this should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finished in 6 minutes. Wow, great Sudoku. 2 identical rows and 2 identical columns, almost identical. So great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and